Welcome back to Learning American English. We are happy you are here and would like to invite you to subscribe to our podcast so you can best benefit from our weekly educational episodes for English learners. Each of our episodes focus on a specific, practical topic that you will encounter in real American life. Every lesson is structured in exactly the same way, so you always know what to expect and how to study most effectively. Part 1. Vocabulary. Each lesson begins with 10 carefully chosen vocabulary words related to the lesson's topic. Each word includes a clear definition and an example sentence showing the word used naturally in context. Read these words before the rest of the lesson to prepare your mind for the new concepts ahead. Part 2. Dialogue. Each lesson includes a realistic, context-based conversation between people in a real-life American situation. Read both sides of the dialogue aloud if possible. This builds natural spoken fluency. Notice the tone, the language used, and how the characters handle the social situation with confidence and grace. Part 3. Guidance article. Each lesson includes a mini article that explains the cultural topic in depth, the history, the norms, the nuances, and the why behind the behaviors. Reading this section will give you genuine understanding, not just surface-level rules. Part 4. Tips and strategies. Each lesson closes with 3 specific, actionable real-life tips that you can begin using immediately. These are practical strategies drawn from real American cultural experience, not generic advice. Are you ready to begin? Okay, here we go.
Shopping etiquette and consumer culture. Americans love to shop, and the consumer culture here is unique, generous, and built around customer satisfaction. Understanding store policies, customer service norms, and shopping etiquette will help you navigate malls, grocery stores, and online retail with genuine confidence. Part 1. Vocabulary, 10 key words. 1. Receipt. A printed or digital proof of purchase given after buying something. Always keep your receipt in case you need to return an item. 2. Return policy. A store's rules about accepting back items that have been purchased. The store's return policy allows exchanges or refunds within 30 days. 3. Coupon. A voucher that entitles the holder to a discount on a product or service. He used a coupon at checkout and saved $5 on his groceries. 4. Checkout. The process and area in a store where you pay for your selected items. There was a long line at the checkout during the busy holiday weekend. 5. Browse. To look through items in a store without necessarily intending to buy anything. We spent the afternoon browsing the bookshop without purchasing anything. 6. Refund. Money returned to a customer after a purchased item is returned. Since the jacket was defective, she received a full refund immediately. 7. Price matching. A retailer's agreement to match a lower price found at a competing store. Best Buy offered price matching when he showed them the competitor's ad. 8. Loyalty program. A reward system that gives benefits to frequent customers of a store. Her grocery store loyalty card earned points toward a free product every month. 9. Cashier. A store employee who processes payments at the register. The cashier was friendly and wished her a great day as she left. 10. Self-checkout. A register where customers scan and pay for items themselves. She used the self-checkout lane to avoid waiting in the longer staffed lines. Part 2. Dialogue, returning an item. Yuki. Hi, I'd like to return this blender. I bought it last week, but it stopped working after one use. Service rep. I'm so sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt or proof of purchase? Yuki. Yes, I have it right here. Service rep. Perfect. Since it's defective, we can offer a full refund or an exchange for a new one. Which do you prefer? Yuki. I'd like to exchange it for the same model, please. Service rep. Absolutely. Let me grab one from the back. Would you like me to test it before you leave? Yuki. Yes, please, that would be great. Thank you. Service rep. Of course. Great customer experience is our priority. Part 3. Guidance article, Shopping in America, Culture and Etiquette. American consumer culture is built around choice, convenience, and customer satisfaction. The phrase "the customer is always right" reflects a deeply held attitude that businesses should go out of their way to keep shoppers happy. Customer service representatives are expected to be helpful and polite, and many stores have very generous return policies. When shopping in stores, browsing is welcome and expected. You are not obligated to buy anything just because you walk in. If a salesperson approaches and asks if you need help, a simple "just browsing, thanks," is a perfectly acceptable response. If you do need assistance, do not hesitate to ask. At checkout, it is common for cashiers to exchange friendly small talk. Responding warmly, even briefly, is good manners. It is also polite to have your payment method ready when it is your turn, as this keeps the line moving. Tipping is not generally expected in retail stores, though it is becoming more common at coffee shops and fast casual restaurants with digital payment systems. In these cases, tipping is appreciated but optional. Online shopping is enormously popular in America. Major sites offer free returns on many items, making it easy to order and return anything that does not work out. Customer reviews are heavily relied upon before making purchases, and most retailers clearly outline their return policies. Part 4. 3 Real-life tips and strategies. Tip 1. Always keep your receipts, especially for larger purchases. Most American stores allow returns within 30 to 90 days with proof of purchase. Some stores can look up purchases using your credit card number or loyalty account, but having a receipt is always the safest option. Tip 2. Do not feel pressured by salespeople. It is perfectly normal to say, "I'm still thinking about it," or "I need to compare a few options first." Good salespeople respect your decision-making process, and no reputable store will pressure you into buying something on the spot. Tip 3. Take advantage of price matching. Many major stores like Walmart, Target, and Best Buy will match a competitor's lower price if you show proof. This is a widely used money-saving strategy. Simply bring a printed or digital ad showing the lower price and ask a store employee.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Learning American English and would greatly appreciate it if you would take a moment right now, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe to our weekly podcast episodes. This podcast was created by Mr. Johan Elvis Sersea, also known as Maestro Sersea, a California-based American English community college instructor who has been teaching American English to English learners in California, United States of America since 1989. Did you know Maestro Sersea has published 7 books on Amazon, numerous educational websites, dozens of podcasts, and nearly 2,000 educational and music videos for English learners on his YouTube channel? Maestro Sersea is also a prolific musician who has created and published numerous songs in various languages, available on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, YouTube, and other major streaming platforms. In addition, Maestro Sersea is the director and lead instructor of California International Online School, an online American English language school based in California, USA, teaching international English learners just like you. Check for the links in the comments section below and visit our educational and music video YouTube channel, as well as our online school website to learn more English and enjoy a variety of powerful and entertaining music albums.